Hey everyone, welcome to Zynd AI, and in this series, we'll learn about how you can create uh, collaborative agents using N8N and Zynd AI. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to Zynd AI's GitHub organization. So this is the username. Just type github.com/Zynd AI, and then you'll see the Zynd AI's organization. Here, you just have to go to this N8N nodes Zynd AI. And from here you can create you can just clone this repository and then install and build the Zynd AI N8N workflow. N8N is basically, let me first explain you this. N8N is basically a no-code automation software using which you can create complex AI agent workflows without even coding anything. So it makes creation of AI agents very simple, and this is a very widely used tool. You can just go to GitHub and see it has like almost 162k stars, so it's a very famous project. And there are a lot of videos regarding how you can create Instagram agent or Excel sheet agent, YouTube publisher agent, and all these kind of agents. So there are lots and lots of things in this, and I'll explain you how a basic workflow about how N8N works, and then we'll jump into how you can basically use Zynd AI to make your agent a collaborative agent. Cool. So you just need to first clone this repository. I'll provide all the links in the description. So here I've just cloned it, and then there are two methods to run this N8N node. So it's basically a custom node, so that's why it's a different repository, and you cannot access this through the official N8N website. So you need to clone this and build the project. So the two ways to build this project is one a manual way, and then one is a Docker, uh, basically a Docker way. And for to install using Docker, you need to install this Docker application. For this, just go to Docker install, and this then just download the Docker from this website, and then you are good to go. And now to build this, you just need to do run.sh. Using this command, it will automatically set up your ngrok, and then it will build the Docker file for this N8N node. And also, what is ngrok? It's basically a port forwarding tool, so that you can access your local project through the internet. So it basically gives you a URL, HTTPS URL, which you can use and send it to any of your friends, and then you can that friend can easily test your agent or your website. So you also need to set up ngrok, and setting up, like installing ngrok is very simple. Just go to ngrok, download the application. If you're on Mac, even Windows, you can just chat GPT how to install it, and then yeah, this is the website. And then there is a token, auth token. You just have to enter a command, which is ngrok, and then auth token, and then your actual auth token string, and then that's it, your ngrok is done. Yeah. Oh, okay. So here you can see it started building my project. We'll wait for a few minutes. It will take around 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, based on your machine. And now you can see the N8N is running. Also, this .env file, you can just copy this from here and just enter it here. And as you can see here, auto generated, these things are auto generated. You don't have to touch anything. Everything is auto generated. The only thing you have to enter is your N8N encryption key. So when you run your Docker, when your Docker is actually up, you can just execute into the Docker container. So how to, let's see how to uh, execute into Docker container and get N8N, basically this encryption key. Yep. So you can see first you have to do this docker ps, and then you will find your N8N Zynd AI node here, and then you just have to do your docker execute it and then bash. So it's like docker execute, then it, then your uh, interactive mode, then your docker container id to sh, then yeah. So you can see it's we are inside the docker container now, and then you just have to print tnv, and then your this N8N encryption key, and just copy and then paste it here, copy and then paste it here. So you have to first actually run the node in order to do this, and then rebuild your basically rerun the dot run sh script. And when you press Ctrl C, make sure to stop, make sure to run stop.sh, and after that rerun the script using dot run.sh. Yeah. So yeah, after this your N10 node will be live, and now you have to create a new account. So I'll go with at megabus, then first name at megabus, and then yeah, next. Get started, skip. Okay, so now your N8N node is live, and this is how you set up Zynd AI's N8N custom node. But there is another way, which is without using Docker, and that is basically using the run.manual.sh. So it's basically non-Docker way of installing things. So here I just have to run manual, and then it's very simple. So when you run yeah, wait, first I have to run dot stop sh, and then I'll run manual.sh, and yeah. So now it will again run the ngrok, and then it will do a local installation of N8N, and then it will actually build this project and link that project into the N8N application. Okay, so the .run manual sh script is working now. So as you can see, the N8N instance is up, and if I go to this URL, I'll see this. I'll click on visit site, and now I'll enter my email and password. Cool. So now you can see this instance, but here this is my personal workflow, so that's why you are seeing this. But yeah, now these are the only two ways on how you can set up Zynd AI agent. And thanks for watching this video.